students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss JEE Main NEET Class 12th Physics Semiconductor Devices Problems on Logic Gates Part 2. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. In this question, the Boolean expression of the output Y of the inputs A and B for the circuit shown in figure is, observe this diagram here. Now, what is the Boolean expression of the output Y? This is A and here B and here A bar. This is AND gate, so here output is A bar dot B bar, and here B1, this is B bar, and here A dot B bar. Now the output is Y is equals to A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. Okay, next we will go to the next question. The logic circuit and its truth table are given. What is the gate X in the diagram? So from this truth table, we know that Y is equals to A plus B, or that is OR gate. Now let us go to the solution. From truth table, we know that Y is equals to A plus B, so that is OR gate. So A plus X is equals to A plus B dot A plus A bar. Since A plus A bar is equals to 1, so A plus X is equals to A plus X is equals to A plus B dot A plus B dot A bar. So that is equals to A of, taking A as a common, next 1 plus B plus A bar dot B. Here since 1 plus B is equals to 1, so substituting, then we get A plus X is equals to A plus A bar dot B. A gets cancels, so X is equals to A dot B, which is AND gate. So with inputs A bar and B, which is AND gate with inputs A bar and B. Okay, next we will go to the next question. The logic gate shown in the below figure is, see this logic gates below figure. So the output Y is equals to A bar plus B bar, so that is equals to A dot B bar is equals to A dot B. So therefore Y is equals to A dot B. The above Boolean expression gives AND gate, so this gives AND gate. Second option is correct. Okay, next we will go to the next question. In the logic circuit shown in the figure, if input A and B are 0 and 1 respectively, the output Y will be, see this logic circuit. Here it is this is A and this is B, NOR gate. This is now it output is A plus B bar, and here this is A bar and this is B bar, and here B. This is NAND gate. Now output of NOR gate is output of NOR gate is A plus B bar. Output of NAND gate is A bar dot B bar whole bar is equals to A plus B bar, that is equals to A plus B. Final output of AND gate is final output of AND gate is Y is equals to A plus B bar dot A plus B. So when A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 1, Y is equals to 0 plus 1 bar 0 plus 1. So that is equals to 1 bar dot 1. So that is 0 dot 1, that is 0. So output Y is equals to 0. Okay, next we will go to the next question. The following logic circuit is equivalent to, so this is the logic circuit and this equivalent to. Now we will discuss. This is NOT and this is A bar, and this is also NOT gate, and this is B bar. Here it is NAND gate. So this is A bar dot B bar bar. Here it is NOT, that is equals to A plus B bar. So that is equals to A plus B. So the output of NAND gate gives OR gate. Output of NAND gate is, NAND gate gives the output of NAND gate gives OR gate. So OR gate plus NOT gate, NOR gate. So OR gate plus NOT gate is equals to NOR gate. Okay, next so now the output Y is equals to, we can write it as Y is equals to A plus B bar. The output Y is equals to A plus B bar. Okay, next we will go to the next question. The output of the given combination of the gates represents, so this output of the combination of gates represents, now we will discuss. This is A and this is NOT gate, come A bar, and this is also NOT gate, this is B bar. Now this is NOR, this is A dot B NOT, this is A bar dot B bar. So now output of NOR gate is, output of NOR gate is equals to a bar plus b bar, that is equals to a dot b bar. So that is a dot b, that is equals to AND gate. So therefore AND gate plus NOT gate is equals to NAND gate. AND plus NOT, it becomes NAND gate. Okay, next we will go to the next question. For the logic circuit shown, this one, the truth table is, now see this, the truth tables are output y is equals to, these are the truth tables 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll discuss output y is equal to, now y is equals to a bar plus b bar, that is a dot b bar. So that is equals to a dot b. So output y is equals to, we are getting a dot b. So this represents AND gate. So option 1 represents AND gate. So option 1 represents AND gate. Okay, so first option is correct, AND gate. Okay, now let us go to the next question. The given electrical network is equivalent to, so the electrical network is, so this is the electrical network A B, and this is NOR gate, here NOT, and here also NOT. So here NOR plus NOT gives OR gate, and OR gate plus NOT is equals to NOR gate. So the given network is equivalent to NOR gate. So given network is, given electrical network is equivalent to NOR gate, equivalent to NOR gate. Okay, next we'll go to the next question. The output X of the logic circuit shown in the figure is, see this, what is the output of this logic circuit? This is A, B, and it is here A dot B. Now the output X of the logic, this is the output, so X is equals to A dot B bar is equals to A dot B. This is the output X of this logic circuit. So A bar dot B, A bar, A dot B bar is equals to A dot B. So first option is correct. Okay, next we will go to the next question. The following truth table belongs to which one of the following 4 gates? Here the truth tables are this A, this is the truth table. Now A, B and Y is equals to A plus B bar. So Y is equals to A, B, Y is equals to A plus B bar. Suppose A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 and Y is equals to 1 bar is equal to 0. And A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. This output Y is equals to here 0. Suppose a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. This is also equal to 0. And here suppose a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. 0 bar is equals to 1. So this is the concerned truth table. So output y is equals to a plus b bar represents NOR gate. This output y is equals to a plus b bar represents NOR gate. Okay, so this is second option is correct. So this truth table, which one of the 4 gates? NOR gates. Okay, NOR gate. Y is equals to a plus b bar represents NOR gate. Thanks for watching this video.